Ever been on a trip, glanced at your phone, and saw the words data roaming? Did you panic, wondering if you're about to get hit with sky-high charges? Let me break it all down for you. It's not as scary as it sounds, and knowing how it works could save you a ton of money. Data roaming happens when your mobile phone connects to a network outside your primary provider's coverage area. Essentially, your carrier partners with foreign or regional networks to let you use services like calling, texting, and internet browsing while you're outside your home network. This is crucial when traveling abroad or even in rural areas where your carrier might not have coverage. Here's a real-life example. Imagine you're on vacation in Paris, France, but your phone plan is based in the United States. Your provider doesn't own cell towers in France, so your phone automatically connects to a local network, allowing you to stay online. However, this convenience often comes at a price: roaming fees. These fees can add up quickly, especially if you're streaming videos, using GPS, or uploading travel photos. The good news? Many modern carriers offer international roaming plans or even roam-like home features. For instance, T-Mobile in the US offers free basic data roaming in over 200 countries. If you don't have such a plan, though, your best bet is to download maps, messages, and media before you travel and rely on Wi-Fi when possible. Fun fact, data roaming isn't just for individuals. Businesses rely on it too. For example, delivery companies use roaming-enabled devices to track shipments across borders, ensuring seamless logistics. It's also a game-changer for international journalists who need to upload breaking news in real time, no matter where they are. Now that you know what data roaming is and how to use it wisely, don't let those roaming fees catch you off guard. Share this video with your friends who love to travel, and let's make expensive surprises a thing of the past. Hit that like button, subscribe for more tech tips, and let me know in the comments, what's your best travel hack for staying connected abroad?